Right, as you can see, I have a bunch of packages here, of boxes, that I figured that I will show you when I open them, because these are kind of crucial parts to my new plans that I've got. So yeah, let's get right into it. I don't know which one to start with. Start with the smallest one first. As always, when I was a kid at Christmas, I always started with the smallest gifts. I still have this green knife, so let's get cracking. To be honest, I have no idea what these parts are because I ordered so much that I forgot what I ordered. So, but yeah, let's get this cracking. Oh. Right, in this first box we have, you really can't see it, but it's a heat wrapping. I'm gonna use it on my downpipe. You know, the 3-inch downpipe I tried to modify earlier. And in the same package, oh, you really can't see this, but it's a Saab badge for the rear of the car. The ones I have are plastic in black, so I don't want that. I want the original one. That's the first package. Let's go with this one. I think I know what this is, but I will keep it a secret for you guys. If I can open this without breaking stuff. This is gonna be a very funny video to watch me open stuff. Here we go. So, in this, yeah, there's two of this. I'm actually gonna open this to show you because it's hard to see through the plastic. This is a hood vent for a specific car. It's from a Cosworth. I think it's a Sierra Cosworth one. These are actually gonna go into my hood. You know that I had hood pins that were broken from the previous owner. There's like some nasty holes in my hood now, where that is, but I'm gonna modify, well, fit these to my hood. So that's gonna be pretty cool, I guess. I actually saw a 9.5 with that. It looked pretty good, so yeah. On to the next one. I'm actually this one. I know what this is. I have opened it like a few months ago. I don't know if I have showed it though on my. If I can figure out how to open this again. Hello? Is this the same package? Yeah, it is. Okay. This is, first off, as you know, I love my stickers. This is my fuel pump, which is a Volbro 255, I think it is, which will it's enough for what I'm gonna do with my car, I think. And let's get this one open. Oops. I kinda need to save this box because these are going to my storage later. This is, I have an aftermarket shifter, but I want to like have the stock shifter in it. These are the reverse lock for my car. I need it. And this is the badge for front of the car. anything else in here? No, there isn't. And this is the mother room. This is the reason why I changed my plans. I got this from very cheap. I mean dirt cheap. This is the reason why I changed my plans. If I can get this. Yeah. I know exactly what this is. The most crucial part of this. Wow, we really went overboard with the packing. Oh my god. Look at this pumpkin. Take a look at this. It's a GT3076 and this is going to be awesome. So basically those are my plans. I'm gonna order like a few parts every month just to save money. So yeah, I'm gonna modify this 4-inch. Yeah, I will show you so you get the gist of it. But that's everything I need for now. I'm gonna order a few more parts so I can run everything. This build is most likely gonna start in August or like the fall. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So stick around for videos for common deaths. I'm actually, for now, I'm gonna go with stage 3 tune until I can afford everything, and then we're gonna start build, and it's gonna be awesome. So stick around for that. See ya, guys. Bye bye.